Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am making a video after a very long time, and for this time I wanted the video to be very special and I wanted to do something different out of the box which I have never ever done on YouTube. So that had to be a makeup video because I haven't made any makeup video as such on YouTube. So I thought that it will be very interesting. So clean girl makeup look was very trending on internet, and I saw so many videos on YouTube, and when I saw all these videos and I could relate so much to these makeup techniques and everything, that I thought that I should also make such a video. I don't know how much justice I have done, but I am just going to tell you, putting up a disclaimer out here, that I am not a professional, no pro here to teach you makeup, but I am doing always a basic kind of makeup, and this was what usually shown in the clean girl makeup look. So I am going to try that makeup on camera, and if you're interested in watching me doing makeup on camera, then please keep on watching. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like my videos, and also hit the like button if you enjoyed watching. Now let's get into the video. To start off, I'll first moisturize my face with Humiderm, and this is my personal favorite moisturizer as it is very thick, and my skin being very dry, it needs a lot of moisturization. So I'm putting a generous quantity of this cream on my face and gently massaging it all over. Next I'll use a lip balm, and this is from Lips, and it is available at your nearby chemist, and this will help keep my lips moisturized. Now that my skin is ready, I'll move on with the makeup. So first thing I'm gonna use is a primer, and this is from Insight, and this is a very nice primer, very affordable also, and I'll apply a little quantity all over my face. So this gives a flawless base for makeup and gives a smooth skin for the makeup to sit on. Next I'm using an orange corrector, again from Insight. Now this is the first time I'm using this orange corrector from Insight, and so I'm taking a very little quantity on my finger and just dabbing it on my dark circles or the under eye area, and also over my lids. Now with a damp beauty blender, I'm just trying to blend everything in, and hopefully the eyes are done with this orange corrector. Now I'm using a Maybelline concealer, and this I'm using on all the dark spots and acne marks that I have on my skin, and then again blending it with the blender. And just blending it nicely into my skin. I'm not trying to drag it all over. Now I'm using a foundation which is in my shade 128, and this is a Fit Me foundation, and I'll just dot it all over my face, and then with a damp sponge I will just try to blend it out. Now blending the foundation into my skin, and I'm going over the eye area also because we need to hide the orange corrector with the foundation now, and I'm just gently dabbing it into my skin. Now I'm trying to push the product into the hairline, and also applying some on my ears and some leftover on my neck. Now to set the base under my eyes so that it doesn't crease, I'm using a translucent powder and just patting it with a blender under my eyes. Now I'm using again the same corrector, and in this I'm using a brown shade now to contour my cheekbones and give a little bit of chiseled effect. And I'm taking it on my finger itself and using a very little quantity because I don't want to go overboard with the makeup. Now I think it is blended out nicely, and I'll take some more quantity and put it on the boundaries of my face, like the forehead and the chin area, so that my face looks a bit sculpted. And again blending everything into my skin. Now I'm using a brow pencil by Swiss Beauty and I'm trying to fill in all the sparse areas. Now I am going to use a peachy shade for my blush, initially taking a little quantity on the blender and just blending it out. Gradually I have just increased a little bit quantity of the blush, and I think it looks pretty fine. Some on the nose as well. Now to highlight, I'm using this small palette which is from Beauty Cottage. I don't know if it is available in India, but this is a very nice palette, and the highlighter is very nice, and I'm just using it with my finger on the highest points of my cheekbones. I'll also apply it some on my nose, the bridge of my nose, and also on my forehead. Just trying to blend everything in so that no harsh lines are visible. Now I'm using a brush to also enhance the brow bones and putting the highlighters on my brow bones. Now I'm removing the excess of lip balm which was on my lips, and now I'm using the beautiful shade from Sugar. This is my current favorite and my current obsession. This is in the shade number 15, Beige Turner, and this is a very nice nude color. Over the top of the lipstick I'm putting on some lip gloss which is from Revlon, and then it's time for mascara, and I'm using the voluminous mascara. Now to fix everything in place, I'm going to use a makeup fixing spray, and this one is from Swiss Beauty and I love it. Next is hairstyle, and for this look I'm keeping my hair slick because this is a clean girl makeup look, and in a ponytail I have kept my hair. Now to be very honest, I had initially applied some eyeshadow on my eyes, and then gradually I found that I am not liking it much, so I wiped everything from my eyes, and now I am just dabbing the concealer on my eyes and I'm going very nude with my eyes, and this is what I'm doing. Now you can see the lip shade which I was wearing. I'm just dabbing that same lip shade on my eyes and using it as an eyeshadow, and I think this is looking pretty well and putting everything, the whole look all together. So this is the final look and I think I'm liking it. So you also let me know if you like the entire look. And if you have any suggestions or any feedback, please feel free to comment down below and let me know. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay happy, take care, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.